Viewers, welcome back to Joy Tutorials. Today I would like to deliver information about BEd first year, first semester, Psychology of Childhood and Adolescence, giving what are the important questions examination point of view. Psychology of Childhood and Adolescence, BEd first year, first semester. These are the common paper, Philosophical Perspectives of Education, Assessment of Learning, Psychology of Childhood and Adolescence. These are the common papers. Today I am giving information about Psychology of Childhood and Adolescence. Here total 5 units. First unit, understand the nature and development of a learner, child and adolescent. Second unit, understanding differences in learners, childhood and adolescence. Third unit, understanding childhood. Fourth unit, perspectives on learning. Fifth unit, learning, environment, issues and concerns. First unit, understand the nature and development of a learner, child and adolescent. What are the important points this unit I am discussing? This is Psychology of Childhood Adolescence, Unit 1. Understand the nature, development of a learner, child and adolescent. Here important questions regarding here. 1.2 Adolescent period, storm and stress period, important question. Next one, developmental characteristics of child, cognitive development. These are the developmental characteristics, dimensions of development, psychosocial entity of individual understanding. Next one, influence family. These are important development of childhood. These are important points in first unit. Stages of development, different stages of development. This one also important. Today I am giving one by one. Here psychology, introduction of psychology we are saying. Here psychology, here two words we are saying, psych plus ology. Here psychology, this is two Greek words, psych plus logos. Psych means study of soul, logos means study. This is psychology. Psychology and philosophy existed under thousands of years. Wilhelm Wundt, a German physician, he founded a university at Leipzig University in 1879. He is the father of psychology. Psychology inseparably mixed with here psychology, human life. Here we are saying it is generally referred to the study of totality of behavior of human beings, psychology. Here definition of psychology we are seeing so many different definitions given by different people. Psychology defined by different psychologists. So many psychologists given different definitions. According to Dewey, it is psychology is science of facts, phenomena of itself. According to Dewey, 1859 to 1952. Dewey period is 1859 to 1952. According to Woodworth, psychology undertakes to make a scientific study of individual considered as a unit, as he really dealings with other individuals, with the world. According to Woodworth, 1869 to 1962, his period. Psychology undertakes to make a scientific study of individual considered as a unit, as he really in his dealings with the other individuals and with the world. According to Skinner, 1904, his period is 1904. Skinner. Here psychology is a science of behavior and experience. According to Skinner, psychology is study of behavior and experience. Next one, Feldman, 2005, he gave psychology is a study of mental behavior. It is a scientific study of mental behavior and mental processes. Next one, Fernald, he is also 2005, Feldman also 2005. Psychology is study of here behavior and psychology is the study of behavior and experience. The science of adjustment of the organisms to the environment. Here, adjustment of organisms to the environment. Therefore, psychology is study of behavior. Here, see, behavior. Here, what is behavior? Here, the term behavior refers to the totality of all life activities of an individual organism. Here, behavior includes conscious, subconscious, unconscious states of activities. Behavior is the outcome of all motor activities like walking, swimming, running, jumping, talking, dancing, singing, etc. Cognitive activities like we are using our brain, thinking, imagining, reasoning, etc. And affective activities like feeling happy, sad, whatever our feelings, these are the affective activities. Psychology as a science. Wundt was the first person to announce psychology as a science. Psychology now considered as a science because it accepts scientific approaches. Psychology possesses a body of facts which can be supported through universal facts, laws, and principles. Next one, evolution of defining psychology. Evolution of psychology took different evolutionary changes. Here, the various definitions followed by different centuries. Psychology, that means P. You can remember SMCB. P for psychology, S for study of soul, study of mind, study of behavior, study of conscious, study of soul, study of mind, study of conscious, study of behavior. P, SMCB. P for psychology, S for soul, mind, conscious, behavior. Like that you can remember, then you will write easily in examination. Study of soul. Etymologically, psychology means study of soul. It is derived in Greek words. Psyche means here psyche plus logos. Psyche means soul, logos means study. Study of soul, psychology. Psychology was regarded as study of soul. It was not clearly defined. Again, question came. What soul is? Here it was not get any answer, so it was rejected. Next one, study of mind. Some ancient philosophers defined psychology as study of mind. Here first came na. Again question came up like that. What is mind? There is no acceptable definition, so it was also rejected. Next one, study of conscious. Study of consciousness. William James defined psychology is the study of consciousness. Wilhelm Wundt also defined psychology is the science of consciousness. This definition was also discarded. Again questions came up. What is conscious? There is no acceptable definition. It was also rejected. Last and final, the study of behavior. William McDougall. He is defined the psychology science of behavior. Pillsbury also defined it is a psychology science of human behavior. It was acceptable by all people. This information is very useful. You are writing any long answer type of questions, then you will write this information all, and you can what came question, that point you have to explain, you have to elaborate information. You can write more information. Learner as a development individual. Stages of development. This question came in examination point of view. Here see, life begins in the conception with the mother's womb. Here life begins in some psychologists told here womb to tomb, like that. Here conception to birth, that means womb, and after death they will kept in tomb na, womb to tomb, like that. Here life begins in conceptions of mother's womb. The fetus spends here 9 months in the mother's womb. Here we have to remember PAP stage. We can remember PAP, prenatal, antenatal, postnatal. This 9-month period is prenatal period. Here womb stays in mother womb. Here how many months? 9 months. This is the prenatal stage. PAP, prenatal, antenatal, postnatal. Here next one, antenatal. The birth time fetus comes out the womb. That is the antenatal. Here direction changes. Okay. Here next one, last, the postnatal. Here after delivery baby comes out of the environment. Baby comes out under contact with the environment. That is the PAP, postnatal. Prenatal, antenatal, postnatal. Prenatal, here 9 months spending here womb. That stage is prenatal. Antenatal, direction changes towards here that is antenatal. Next one, postnatal. Here baby comes in contact with the environment. That is the postnatal. Next one, phases of human development. Phases of human development. Here stages in lifespan. Yes. Here first one, prenatal period. From conception to birth. Prenatal period. Next one, infancy. From birth to 2 years. Next one, childhood. Here early childhood, later childhood. Early childhood 3 to 6 years. Later childhood 7 to 12 years. Childhood is 3 to 12 years na. Here 3 to 6 years is early childhood. Later childhood 7 to 12 years. Here from birth to 2 years is infancy stage. Here we are seeing childhood 3 to 12 years. Here early childhood 3 to 6 years. Later childhood 7 to 12 years. Next one, here we are seeing early childhood. They are spending most time with mother. Mother is a first guru of a child. They are learning so many values, whatever alphabets, everything they are learning from mother. Later childhood, they are joining school, crutches, kindergarten, school, so many. They are learning rhymes. They are making friends with children, and they are happily spending in that environment. Next one, adolescence. That means teenage. From 13 to 19 years or from onset of puberty till the attainment of maturity. 13 to 19 years are from onset of puberty. Here teenage. Here storm and stresses. They are confusion. They are spending most of the time with their friends. They have so many secrets. They are sharing with their only friends, same age group members only. Next one, adulthood. Up from 20 to 59 years. That is adulthood. Next one, old age or senescence. From 60 years to death. This is the phases of human development. This is infancy. This stage is birth to 2 years of age. Here baby contact with the environment. Postnatal stage na, here infancy. Here 0 to 2 years of age. Here baby more attachment with the parents. Here we are seeing face is red color and skin also red color. Here they are most of the time they are sleeping. First 2 weeks of infants are neonates. They are usually wrinkled and blocky, red skin, etc. By 6 months of age, they can discriminate the faces. They can identify parents and others, strangers like that. They are knowing so many like small words. They are bubbling sounds. They are saying mama, dada, tata like that. They are making sounds. This is about infant stage. Early childhood is the problem is, toy is, troublesome is like that. Why? Because 3 to 6 years early childhood. This is ready for preschool age. According to psychologists, it is a pre-gang age. Um, Here early childhood also you have to write so many side headings. If it came in long answer means you have to remember here PISEL, PSEL. You can remember like that. Uh, Physical development, intellectual development, emotional development, social development, language development, etc. Here physical development we are seeing their height increases, body size also increases. Average annual increase weight in 3 to 5 pounds. 3 to 5 pounds. Legs lengthen, hands and feet also grow bigger, body parts also grow bigger. Here the baby teeth is begin to replaced by the teeth, like permanent teeth. Next one, intellectual development. Here the child is intellectual development thinks symbolically. They can develop perception of size, shape, color, distance, etc. Their memory also increases rapidly. Thinking, reasoning develops in this childhood stage. Next one, social development. This is a pre-gang age. They are playing with other children and they are making some gangs. They are learning the some foundations of social behavior. Here, children have one or more favorite playmates. In this age, children are imitating others. Like in our home, we are seeing they are keeping one stick and they are imitating like grandmother, grandfather, like that. Na? Next one, emotional development. Here, children indulge in temper tantrums. Here, the emotions are spontaneous. Temper tantrums, emotions are spontaneous. They are, if they like, they will happy. If they don't like, they are fell down ground and suddenly they are crying. They are making some activity like that. Na? They are making crying, nail biting, like that. They are making something. Next one, language development. They are learning language, learn to speak, and they are pronounce some words, like that. They are telling some rhymes, they are telling stories. If anyone can appreciate, they are very happily they have to spare that whatever they can, they are interested, whatever they came, that only they are repeated number of times. Here vocabulary also increases very rapidly. Next one, later childhood also we have to write like that. Again we have to remember PSEL, physical development, intellectual development, social development, emotional development. Next one, language development. Here later childhood they are sexually mature. Here secondary sexual characters are starting to develop. This is a troublesome age, sloppy age. Troublesome age, sloppy age. If a child will grow in a good educational environment, they will become a good citizen of society. If they will learn, if they are in other society, means other environment, not good environment, based on environment, their future will decides. Here physical development. Here that parts, body parts, uh, slow and relatively uniform to growth started, they will reach to the puberty. Here the growth is slowest in girls between 9 and 10 years of age. Here we are seeing boys will grow is slowest in 10 and 11 years. This is the difference in girls and boys. Here permanent teeth is replaced by the milk teeth milk teeth totally fall down, and that place replaced by the teeth permanent teeth replaced by the teeth. Muscular coordination increases, we are seeing in this stage. Here intellectual development. Next one, PSEL, physical development, intellectual development. Here they are very short span of attention. We are noticing in children. They learn poems, songs and stories, etc. They are interested in stories, believes in fairies. They are most of the time they are spending whatever they want, like that only. Here they want realism in this stage. Child's logical thinking also increases in this stage. Next one, social development. Here, active member of peer group in society. They are making some individual groups and play groups. Girls are also making some groups, individual groups like that. They are making loyalty, etc. Children develop some group consciousness, etc. in this stage. Next one, emotional development. Here they are greater control of emotional development here. Stability of greater control and emotions. They can derive pleasant emotions. They feel very happy. Positive means they will feel very happy. They spend very happy. Great pleasure from pleasant emotions. Here, language development, they can learn more words and their language development also rapidly increases. Speech pronunciation, vocabulary is increases its very rapidly. Next one, adolescent period, adolescent teenage period. Here, 13 to 19 years is teenage, storm and stress is confusion state. If you want more updates about important questions examination point of view, you can subscribe, like, share to my channel. Thank you. Bye.